His hair was brown, the same brown as my hair. I would often run my fingers through my own hair and pretend it was his hair. His eyes were brown too, like my eyes, and my hair, and his hair. His pants were not brown today. He was my neighbor. I would see him on the way to school every day on his morning run. Everything he did, from watering his plants, playing with his dog, getting the mail, and even just walking around, made me fall deeper and deeper in love. Every once in a while, I would greet him. Hey, good morning.
Hey, neighbor.
Usually, it wouldn't result in anything worthwhile. One day, I decided to take a chance and finally make a bigger move. Hey, friend.
Oh, hey, neighbor.
So, you're really good at running, huh?
Yeah, I guess I'm alright.
Yeah. I've never felt this way before. I could barely function. My motor skills were failing me. I think I wanna learn how to run too.
You don't know how to run?
I mean,
Hey, your shoe's untied.
Oh, dang, I didn't even realize.
I'll get that for you, man.
This was too intense for me. From my vantage point, I had a perfect view of his brown hair.
You okay?
I was defeated. I was vanquished by my own incompetence and lack of vocabulary. I can't believe it. Is there really a way for me to convey my feelings to him? If only there was a way for me to prepare what I was going to say ahead of time.
Oh, hey, neighbor. It's just so nice out, Ethan. I'm just washing my car. What are you up to?
Hey, I just came over because I wanted to talk to you about, something.
Yeah, man, what's up?
I've been in love with you since I first saw you running around outside. Your delicate brown hair moved in the wind in a way that completely entranced me. How could I resist seeing the beautiful way you take out your dog? Even the way you say, hey neighbor to me, day by day, it left an impact. I know you're the one for... Can you move your hose out of the way?
Oh, my bad. Sorry, man.
Thank you. So, I know you're the one for me, and I know you're probably not ready to hear all of this, but I can't wait much longer. I've been holding this in forever now. You need to understand, Rocco. We were born to be lovers.